Starting around 13 July 2023, Chilliz is exchanging at $0.077 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.46% in genuinely most recent 60 minutes. Especially in spite of mainstream thinking, CHZ certainly has an in every way that really matters, complete market cap of $544,916,700, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $22,459,092 in an especially significant manner. This in every way that really matters makes Chilliz, CHZ, kind of positioning at 73 in the cryptographic money market, which essentially is genuinely critical in the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer and considering what in every practical sense is the Chilliz cost expectation end of 2023. What will Chilliz generally be fundamentally worth in 2023 in an unpretentious manner? Is Chilliz a generally excellent speculation or in every practical sense worth purchasing in 2023 in a sort of significant manner? Will CHZ cost certainly outperform its untouched high? Or so they sort of thought. These essentially are our Chilliz cost expectations for CHZ'(S) future, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Chilliz CHZ value expectation 2023. As per the Chilliz estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the CHZ cost certainly is supposed to commonly cross a genuinely normal value level of $0.092. The normal essentially least value worth of Chilliz toward the finish of the exceptionally current year ought to fundamentally be $0.088, which really is genuinely critical. Besides, CHZ can for the most part arrive at a buy in large greatest value level of 10 cents in an in every practical sense significant way. Chilliz CHZ value estimate July 2023. For July 2023, the cost of Chilliz is generally anticipated to arrive at a fundamentally normal cost of $0.080, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $0.082 and an in every practical sense least of $0.073, which is genuinely huge. Chilliz value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the especially greatest cost for Chilliz could really stretch around $0.086, which is genuinely critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of CHZ in August 2023 certainly is $0.078, with a typical cost of $0.082, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chilliz CHZ value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Chilliz cost generally is estimate to truly arrive at an especially the most minimal cost of $0.081, showing how Chilliz value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the extremely greatest cost for Chilliz could sort of stretch around $0.086 in a very significant manner. The CHZ cost could especially arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.090, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $0.085 in an unpretentious manner. CHZ value gauge October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Chilliz basically is supposed to sort of arrive at any rate value worth of $0.083, which in a real sense is very critical. The CHZ cost could truly arrive at a truly greatest cost of $0.095, with the genuinely normal cost around $0.087 in a truly significant manner. Chilliz CHZ value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Chilliz especially is truly anticipated to especially arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $0.090, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.098 and a fundamentally least of $0.086 in a truly significant manner. Chilliz CHZ value expectation December 2023. Concerning December 2023, Chilliz cost in a real sense is conjecture to generally arrive at a very the most reduced cost of $0.088, showing the way that the CHZ cost could explicitly arrive at an all things considered greatest cost of $0.095, with the especially normal cost around $0.087 in an unpretentious manner. The CHZ cost could especially arrive at an exceptionally greatest cost of 10 cents, with the especially normal expected cost around $0.092, or so they sort of thought. Chilliz by and large past value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours the crypto sort of has been generally diminished by 0.88% in its by and large current worth, essentially further appearance. How Chilliz kind of past value examination, in the kind of beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially, has been most certainly diminished by 0.88% in its sort of current worth, which in every practical sense is very huge. On the off chance that we in every practical sense look at the essentially current market cap of the CHC with yesterday's, you can sort of see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down in an unobtrusive manner. Chilliz especially is confronting a quite tough time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, or so they basically thought. The CHC generally is down to nearly 1.75% over the most recent 7 days, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. The coin really is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for sort of beyond couple of days. The coin could essentially have sort major areas of strength for of yet. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in present moment, which in a real sense demonstrates the way that the CHC cost could basically arrive at a truly most extreme cost of 10 cents, with the genuinely normal expected cost around $0.092, which especially is very critical. Inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of CHC generally diminished by 44.631%. Dispensing with an incredible especially normal amount of $0.062 from its by and large current worth, showing how Chilliz kind of past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours, the crypto sort of has been in every practical sense diminished by 0.88% in its extremely current worth. Certainly further appearance how Chilliz pretty past value examination in the truly beyond 24 hours. The crypto sort of has been most certainly diminished by 0.88% in its for the most part current worth, which really is very huge. This unexpected down in every practical sense implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can commonly be a kind of good, really purchase an open door for in every practical sense, fast speculation, which especially is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change explicitly is near 43.83%, and the cost for the most part circled from a sort of least sort of typical cost of 13 cents to greatest fundamentally normal cost of 14 cents. In the sort of beyond 90 days, genuinely is opposed to prevalent thinking. Chilliz really is somewhere near 25.93% with the genuinely greatest certainly normal cost of the coin in a real sense was around 11 cents. And the base pretty typical cost of especially was around 11 cents in genuinely beyond 4 months, which generally is genuinely critical. Chilliz value figure 2023 facts. What will sort of be Chilliz worth in 2023? Which in every way that really matters, is genuinely huge. The CHC cost explicitly is estimated to fundamentally arrive at a sort of greatest degree of 10 cents, with certainly least cost of $0.088 toward the finish of 2023. Exhibiting how Chilliz value figure 2023 facts. What will generally be Chilliz essentially worth in